Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love road trips, camping, and modern RV living, then today's video is for you. We're taking you inside the all-new 2026 Toyota camper van, a stylish, family-friendly vehicle that packs 3 beds, a spacious bathroom, and a fully equipped modern kitchen into a sleek design. This isn't just a camper van. It's Toyota's vision of future travel, combining smart technology with maximum comfort for the American family. Number 1. Exterior design and size. At first glance, the 2026 Toyota camper van looks bold and modern, with smooth, aerodynamic lines and LED light bars that run across the front and rear. It feels more futuristic than your average van. Length, around 22 feet, making it compact enough for city driving but roomy enough for long road trips. Large tinted panoramic windows bring in plenty of natural light. Sliding side doors and extendable awning make it easy to set up camp outdoors. On top, you'll find integrated solar panels, perfect for off-grid adventures. This camper van is designed for both weekend getaways and long cross-country trips. Number 2. Interior overview. Now let's step inside. The first thing you notice is the open and spacious layout. Toyota has maximized every inch to make it feel like a cozy home on wheels. Premium upholstery with eco-friendly materials. LED ambient lighting that creates a warm, relaxing atmosphere. Smart storage compartments hidden under the floor and seats. This camper van is built for families or small groups who want both comfort and functionality. Number 3. Sleeping setup. Here's where things get impressive. The 2026 Toyota camper van comes with 3 separate sleeping areas. A convertible sofa bed in the lounge area. A pop-up roof bed that easily sleeps 2 adults. A fold-out rear bed designed for kids or guests. That means this camper van can comfortably sleep up to 5 people, a rare feature in compact vans. Number 4. Big bathroom. Most camper vans struggle with bathrooms, but Toyota went big here. The 2026 model features a full wet bath with a modern shower system, a flushing toilet, a sink with hot and cold water, built-in ventilation, and waterproof storage. It feels more like a mini hotel bathroom than a van setup. Number 5. Modern kitchen. Of course, no road trip is complete without good food. The Toyota camper van comes with a fully equipped modern kitchen, dual-burner induction cooktop, compact refrigerator and freezer, microwave and smart oven combo, deep sink with filtered water, fold-out dining table for meals inside. There's even a hidden outdoor kitchen slide-out, so you can cook under the open sky. Number 6. Tech and performance. The camper van runs on Toyota's hybrid powertrain, giving you excellent fuel efficiency for long drives. On a single tank, you can travel well over 500 miles. Other highlights include advanced driver assist safety features, touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, smart climate control for hot and cold weather, solar plus battery storage for powering appliances off-grid. Number 7. Who is it for? This camper van is designed for families, couples, and digital nomads who want to explore America without sacrificing comfort. Whether you're camping in Yellowstone, road tripping the California coast, or parking in an RV resort, this Toyota gives you the flexibility and space you need. Number 8. Price and final thoughts. The 2026 Toyota camper van is expected to start around $85,000 to $95,000, depending on trim and custom options. That's a competitive price considering you're getting 3 beds, a full bathroom, a modern kitchen, and Toyota's legendary reliability. Final thoughts? This is one of the most practical, family-friendly camper vans we've seen for 2026. Perfect for anyone dreaming of life on the road. So, what do you think of the new Toyota camper van? Would you take it on your next big road trip? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more awesome motorhome and camper tours.